This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering down and unplugging the Ps5. This prevents shorts and preserves components. Once done, wait about 5 minutes so residual charge dissipates. Lay the console on a soft, flat surface with the vent side facing up. You need a Phillips #1 and a plastic pry tool. They minimize cosmetic damage. Start at the lower corner near the stand area, lift gently to disengage clips. Slow, steady pressure prevents broken tabs. Make sure to keep screws and parts organized. You slide the side panel toward the rear about 1 centimeter to disengage the locking tabs. This small movement is the key step. Once unlocked, use the plastic pry tool at the corner and gently lift to release the small clips. You want even, patient pressure. Continue along the edge, prying and lifting sequentially rather than forcing one point. If a clip resists, stop and realign the tool. Forcing will crack the tab. Make sure to keep the panel supported so it doesn't snap back. You lift the cover straight up only after confirming every clip has disengaged. Sudden angles can stress plastic. Once removed, set the cover on a microfiber cloth to avoid scratches. If cleaning, use short bursts of compressed air at shallow angles to avoid spinning fans too fast. Make sure to hold the fan blades. If a clip does break, don't panic. Use a small cable tie or plastic epoxy as a temporary fix, and make sure to recheck alignment before reattaching the cover.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.